Hello! For the past few days we were trying to deal with some problems on Code Wars regarding arrays. So I decided that let's hop to the code and see what methods we can use on arrays. So we are in Visual Studio Code and let's create ourselves some basic array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's do some methods on it. So the first method would be array.push. Push will add a new element to the array. So let's console log it, and let's do node array.js. And we have a 10 at the last element. Another method we can use is pop. Pop removes the last element and gives it back. So let's also console log elements, and let's do node array. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 in return, because that's our input array. Another method we can use would be a map method. Map method goes through each element of the array and does some kind of operation on that. So we can, let's say, multiply every element by 2. And as you can see, it's done. Another method we can use would be filter. It also goes through each individual element and then tries to match them. So let's say we want every element which is higher than 3. And we are getting 4 and 5. Another method we can use is the reduce method. Reduce is very useful for summing up the arrays. So we will give here a total and current element. And here we can do a total plus equals current, and then we need to give the initial value of that. And if we will console log the sum, we'll get 15. So 5, 9, 12, 14, 15. Let's go right now to find method. So find method will give us the first matching element. So let's say we want element equal 4 or maybe more than 4. When we will get that back, we should receive 5. Oh, error. Okay, sorry guys. A little bit of debugging. Yeah, that's it. Another method we can go through would be maybe sum. Sum goes through all of the elements and it will return actually a Boolean value. So let's say, call it like is Boolean. And here will be whatever we want to check for. So let's maybe do if any of the elements in the array is larger than 3. And if we will console log this is Boolean, we should get true, because 4 and 5 will be larger. Another method you can use like this is every. This checks if every element in the array matches the pattern we gave. So in this particular example, we will get false. And that's actually some of the basic array methods you can use. See you next time.